Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ingenovis healthcare app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Ingenovis Health is a healthcare staffing and workforce management app designed to help medical professionals find travel assignments, per diem shifts, and long-term healthcare opportunities across the U.S. Built as part of a larger healthcare talent system. The app connects nurses, allied health workers, and clinicians with verified job placements from partner facilities. It's available on both iOS and Android and provides tools to track applications, manage credentials, and stay updated on new opportunities. The app's main feature is its job matching system. You can browse open assignments, filter by pay, location, shift type, and specialty, and apply directly through the platform. Ingenovis Health also offers real-time job alerts, transparent pay details, and a centralized credentialing section where users can upload documents, certifications, and compliance requirements. For travel healthcare professionals, the app includes assignment details, onboarding steps, and communication tools to stay in touch with recruiters. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clear job listings, supportive recruiting team, and fast communication during placement. The app is considered convenient for tracking assignment status, browsing high-pay travel jobs, and staying organized during credentialing. Travel nurses and allied professionals often highlight the company's multiple brands and networks, which offer more job variety. However, there are some drawbacks. Job availability depends heavily on location and specialty, so some users may see fewer opportunities than expected. Credentialing and compliance steps can sometimes take longer than anticipated. A few users also mention occasional delays in app notifications or inconsistent upload success when submitting documents. Additionally, pay packages and benefits vary by assignment, which may require close comparison before accepting a role. In summary, the Ingenovis Health app may be worth using if you want a reliable way to explore travel assignments, manage credentials, and track job applications from a large healthcare staffing network. However, if you prefer instant book shift apps or need consistently high job density in your area, it might not fully meet your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.